Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you my social science project on the topic EV for garbage collection, solution to a healthier and cleaner colony. First, let's look at the present scenario where we can see that the Safai Wala is carrying a small cart to collect the waste from one entrance to another. Here a lot of stray animals like dogs, cats, birds and monkeys have gathered around the cart to eat the food. But as we know, this is old and stale food that people have thrown away. And during the rainy season, it becomes more challenging for the Safai Wala to carry the cart because it doesn't have a lid to cover the waste. Since the cart is very small, the wet and dry waste gets mixed and it is a tedious process to segregate them afterwards. Keeping all these problems in my mind, I have tried to make a model which will not only be a solution to these problems but will also have additional features. So let me introduce you to my model, which is electric vehicle for garbage collection. Now let's see its features one by one. Firstly, it has a lid which will make sure that the waste doesn't get littered around and animals won't be able to browse through it. Here I have made the lid sloping so that the rainwater doesn't get collected over it and animals will find it difficult to climb over it. Another feature of this model is that it has two separate bins for wet and dry waste. These bins that I have placed here can be foot operated or lever operated. When these bins get filled, the Safai Wala takes it to the dump yard. For dumping also, it has a special feature that it can be tilted and the waste can be dumped. The buckets in which the Safai Wala collects the waste from house to house can be kept here in this separate area. In the driver's cabin, they can keep the gloves, mask, sanitizer, water bottle, raincoat and a first aid box. This vehicle will be environmental friendly, easy to use and will reduce the labor work. It will be battery operated with rechargeable batteries. I really hope to see my model in our colony in future. Thank you.